Good morning, everyone. So, in our today's lecture of legal aspect of business, we will discuss about rights and duties of partners in a partnership firm. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the concept, essential, uh, or types of partners and types of partnership firm. So, it is a continuation lecture of uh, introduction lecture of partnership act. So in this lecture we will discuss about rights and duties of partners. So if we talk about rights of partner, section 12 and 13 of partnership act is concerned with the rights of partner. So if we talk about rights, first right is to take part in management. So every partner, whether it is he is a active partner or a nominal partner, has right to take part in routine business of the partnership firm. Second right is right to inspect book. So every partner has right to check books of account of the firm and to get copies of that books of account as well. He can also access all the bill vouchers, etc. And a third right is right to be consulted. So every partner has a right to be consulted and heard before any matter of decision making. So since the essentials of partnership act based on mutual consent, so it is this right is extension of mutual consent, that every partner has a right before any decision to consult with him. Then a right of partner includes right to share profit. So every partner has right to share profit equally earned by the firm irrespective of amount of capital contribution. Although in partnership deed there could be mentioned differently, because there are certain partners who are less contribution in share, so they agree different percentage of profit sharing. There are certain partners who are partners in profit only, so they do not share losses. Now we another right is right to interest on capital. So if a partner has contributed capital, so the partner is not entitled to receive interest on capital contributed by him, because he is sharing profit of the firm. Then if we talk about right to use property of the firm, so every partner of the firm is basically co-owner of the property of the firm, because firm cannot hold any property in firm's name. And the partner has right to use the property of firm for benefit of business of the firm, uh, because he cannot use the firm's property for his personal gain. Next right is right to admit and expel partner. So a new partner cannot be admit without the consent of all the partners, and the old partner can also not uh, expel without prior consent of all the partners. Next right is right to give opinion. So the nature of partnership business cannot be altered without the prior approval of all the partners, and that nature is right to give opinion on any matter related to firm's business. If we talk about next right, so next is right to act as agent. See, the partnership itself depend on the relationship of principal and agent. Every partner in a firm is an agent of the firm. So every partner can act as agent on behalf of remaining partner, and he can also bind other partners by his act. Next is right of retirement. So every partner has right to retire from the firm with mutual consent of all the partners. But when partnership at will is created, he can leave the firm anytime while giving due notice to all the partners regarding the retirement of him from the firm. If we talk about last right is right of competing business. So any outgoing partner, that means the partner who is leaving the partnership firm, has a right to start competing business with that firm, but he cannot use the firm name. uh, because when a partner is uh, active partner in the firm, so he cannot conduct any competing business. But if he is an outgoing partner, he can uh, he has right to start a business which is competing to the firm's business. Now if we talk about duties of partner, so there are certain if there are certain rights, so there are certain duties also. So first duty is to work for common advantage. That means a partner need to work for the firm's advantage only. So the second is to be faithful. So every work a partner do should be in the in a faithful manner. He should be due with do firm's business carefully and with due diligence also. uh, Next is render true account. So every partner need to prepare true account, and he should not make any profit out of I mean personal profit out of, or secret profit out of the firm's business. Next is to indemnify for the fraud. If he is indulged in any fraudulent activity, and the firm suffers from any loss due to that fraud, so the partner's duty is to provide insurance against that particular loss. Next is not to claim remuneration. Since a partnership firm, the relationship is of principal and agency, so this gives a right to not to claim remuneration. However, if he is working as employee in the organization as well, so he can claim remuneration for that particular work. Next is to share profit and losses. So every partner, if he is sharing profit of a business, so he must share losses of the business. However, there are a type of partner which is partners in profit only, so they do not share losses. But other than that, all the partners share profit as well as losses in the organization. Then last duty is to act within authorities. So whatever authorities and responsibilities given in partnership deed of a firm to a particular partner, he should act within that authority only. He should not go beyond that, his authorities. So these are the rights and duties of partner. So in this lecture, that is it for the day. Thank you so much.